Hi, I'm Cecile. I'm one of the founders of In Centre London, and I'm also a guide in the modern mystery school tradition in the lineage of King Solomon. And today I'm going to speak to you a bit about sacred geometry and its relevance to the modern mystery schools, or the mystery schools overall. And so sacred geometry is an art, we say it's an art created in heaven, or it's a divine art because it's a language that we all understand. Each vibrational shape holds a vibration, a frequency, and that frequency is in a way captured or made visible through the shape itself. And so through that, we understand vibration. We don't need translation for vibration. We receive the vibration by looking at the shape. And the shape communicates its information to us in that way. Now, in the ancient days, that's always been part of the training in the sacred geometries, that we would work with the shapes. In the mystery school traditions, there was work we would do to kind of activate the shapes in our consciousness so that we can start working with them more deeply and that they can penetrate our understanding more deeply. Dr. Emoto's work is kind of helpful in this context because he was able to capture how vibration affects the physical, or in that case, water. So he was able to capture how specific words or frequencies of music create different crystals in the water. So he infused the water with that frequency by exposing it to it. And then he froze the droplets and looked at them under a microscope, and you could see in the microscope the specific shapes that were created were either harmonious if they had been exposed to a harmonious frequency, or they were disorganized if they've been exposed to a chaotic frequency. And so it's the same for us. Our frequency, our vibration, can be more harmonious or it can be more chaotic. And obviously we'll feel better when we have a harmonious frequency. And so in the mystic school traditions, we learn how to rebalance our vibration by using the sacred geometries. It doesn't always start right away with those complex shapes such as the flower of life. It starts actually usually with the building blocks of the geometries, which are very powerful keys. So I teach a class called Sacred Geometry 1, where you can learn how to work with these tools. And I know a lot of people who work with these tools in other parts of the world. So if you're listening from somewhere outside of the UK or Europe, I can also refer you to someone closer to you. If you're interested in understanding how to actually work with the geometries, to activate your energy and to kind of bring more balance and harmony to yourself.